As the ingot is broken down, the automated guided vehicle transports the resin to the molding zone, demonstrating the physics.
The A400M system verifies the material density, ensuring zero defects before machining.
This reading suggests a microfracture near the center mass.
Cross-reference that with the thermal data immediately.
The robotic arm uses a high-precision tactile sensor, sweeping the surface to micron tolerances.
The intakes are manual type. Environmental control systems, a wide 400 and material development.
Moisture content is critical, as even minute amounts can cause bubbling or structural weakness during the high-pressure extrusion process.
This final shot of the pre-processing phase confirms that both material streams are now stabilized and ready to begin their core manufacturing processes.
A specialized CNC machine precisely sculpts the titanium alloy into a complex compressor rotor blade. The
A specialized robotic tool inserts microsensors and temperature probes into the gray titanium core housing.
This coating enhances corrosion resistance and thermal dissipation properties, crucial for the longevity of the component in diverse operational environments.
This stamp signifies that the component has passed all mechanical, thermal, and electrical tests required for flight certification.
Storage confirmation for the A400M Process A cores. The robotic system secures the pallet, finalizing this stage of manufacturing.
The dossier is complete. All 50 steps confirmed flawless.
Acknowledged. Finalizing administrative closure and handover. Environmental Control Systems, A400M, Process A, definitive closure.
System check complete. Temperature stabilized at 200 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. Engaging Process B sequence now.
The highly viscous, molten, bright, translucent orange polymer is forced under immense pressure through people. The specialized optical bore inspection system verifies the absolute smoothness of the inner wall, confirming the stabilized, bright, translucent orange polymer ducting enters a secondary wrapping station where a high-tensile A third, thinner layer of highly durable, specialized external polymer is extruded directly over the gray reinforcement. This thermal cycling test ensures the polymer material maintains its flexibility, structural integrity, and resistance.
The flexible polymer ducting segments pass through an ionized air curtain and UV light station, removing any final surface.
As part of Process B, the AGV transfers the polymer ducting kits to the general warehouse, maintaining strict separation from the titanium.
Priority shipment for the A400M hangar is confirmed. Delivery initiated.
Check the torque settings on panel 4.
Confirmed. All green on the schematic. Ready for pressurization test.
Takeoff power set.
Checked. Engine instruments stabilized.
Confirmed.
Environmental Control Systems A400M. Cargo bay air distribution. These outlets are fed by the
environmental systems holding steady at 20 Celsius, all green on the gauges.
Received. Good work.
As the translucent orange ducting flexes under high pressure, its resilience is evident, confirming
the thermal image confirms even heat distribution, validating the insulation achieved during Process B.
The digital readout confirms high purity air. Product B has successfully prevented any leak.
the air system worked perfectly. Kept the cabin stable, makes a huge difference on long hauls.